Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, siyadelelwa. A Zimbabwean truck driver was arrested in Zambia today trying to smuggle illegal Ethiopians into South Africa. But fortunately, the authorities in Zambia arrested him with these illegal Ethiopians he was trying to smuggle into South Africa. Even after all the warnings, after everything we are saying, we are pushing these ones that we have in this country to go back to their countries to fix their problems. Others are still coming. Is it a disrespect or undermining South Africans? I don't understand. Really, I don't understand. These people, they want the whole world to see us as wicked people because whatever they are looking for, bazoyithola. Especially these ones that are owning tuck shops. Uyababona amanye ama-nations ayanyakaza, are moving ukuthi kunezinto ezenzakalayo. Bona bayithulele nje because why? Bazi ukuthi bona bahlomile, they are heavily armed, abasabi muntu. What is the meaning of this? Ukuthi bebize abanye abantu, belanda abanye abantu to smuggle other Ethiopians into South Africa, and South Africans are telling them to go back to Ethiopia. Ukudelela phela lokho guys, ukudelela nje okukhulu. Bengifisa mina ukuthi bevele bekhishwe bona phakathi ezitolo, zivalwe le zitolo. So guys, let's watch the video.
Identify the people that you carry in your truck. Identify them by tapping them on the shoulder. Okay? Okay? Yes. Where is your truck? Please take me to your truck. I want to see how you carry them.
Simple.
So now the Zambian authorities, they want him to demonstrate for them to see ukuthi ubafake kanjani these people inside the truck.
So I want you to demonstrate how you put these people, how you conceal these people in your truck. So I want one person, take out one person. See, demonstrate to us how you conceal them in the truck, where they were, where you put them.
You come through, let him come in.
Go there. Come there. Peter.
I hope the South African border management is watching.
So how long was it taking you to load them inside?
Go in there.
Hey, how long was it taking you?
No,
How long did it take you to load them inside?
about 6 minutes.
8 minutes. Quickly go inside.
Go inside.
Alipo bwana.
Go inside. Peter, go inside. That's it's fine, you come out, it's okay.
It's difficult now to enter because it's no longer going to South Africa.
You want to see it, then you come out.
No, you see, my CCTV is not here.
Oh, you want to demonstrate? Hey, come. Come, you go inside. Yeah? Hey. Come on, come. Go inside. Quick. Come on, very fast.
So guys, you see the danger we are facing as a nation. If these people were not arrested in Zambia, they were going to sleep in South Africa today. We don't even know what they are carrying, why they are here, which kind of diseases they are carrying in their bodies. We don't know. There is an outbreak of Ebola in Congo as we speak, but they were going to enter here in South Africa if they were not arrested in Zambia. These are the results of refusing to close our borders. The whole world is aware that South African borders are open. That is why everyone is coming down to South Africa, because it's free to enter. And as I said, guys, we have to take these tuck shops things seriously, because these people are proving Kutibona, they are stubborn, they are not afraid of anyone. How can they continue to do this? How can they continue to smuggle people into South Africa even after everything? No, guys, we have to take this tuck shop things seriously. This is not a joke. Labantu bayadelela. Even nabo labo mastendi babo ukuthi ba South Africans, it doesn't mean anything. If they are harboring illegal immigrants in their homes, abantu abasibulalela izingane, kumele kudilwe nabo. Ayikho into esizoyenza phela, ngeke sikwazi ukuhlala kuma communities wethu nomuntu ofihle ababulala emzini wakhe ukuthi basibulalela izingane. No, we cannot allow that to happen. Bona lawo ma South Africans abahabarishile emzini wabo, akudilwe nawo nje guys. Umuntu makayikhiphe illegal foreign emzini wakhe. Umuntu oqashise umuntu we-tuck shop akamkhiphe emzini wakhe. Uma engafuni ukuthi kube nenkinga, akamkhiphe emzini wakhe. Angithi uyezwa ukuthi labantu babulala izingane. How can you as a South African continue to harbor an illegal foreigner in your house? The owner of the tuck shop, the same tuck shop that is unaliving your neighbor's children. You are still harboring that person in your house and you are expecting South Africans to keep quiet. No, guys, we cannot keep quiet. We cannot allow that to happen. Ukuthi we South African angeke size sibe nandaba. And you can hear your fellow South Africans are complaining about their local economy. They want to take their local economy back from these people when you are still hiding them in your own house. You are still harboring them in your own house. No, we cannot allow that to happen. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.